Forget about what other people think about you. Do your thing, man. Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another video. This is your favorite moto vlogger, Big Vern's Moto Life. About to jump into it today. Guys, you see I am on the Stormtrooper with the fresh Rebel Reaper gloves right there. Shout out to Rebel Reaper. Guys, you can see they are absolutely fire. About to head over to Harley-Davidson and check out the Road Glide CVOST and check it out, man. We're gonna just take a look, see what it is. It is blazing hot outside, but ooh, she sounded right there. Oh man, it's blazing out here. It is about 95 degrees outside, but your boy gotta get it done. So let's get this video jumping, baby. Let's go. Stop at Hall of Fame Harley-Davidson to get some air, man. You see I'm drenched. Whew, it's hot outside. Guys, remember them tips I was telling you? Make sure you keep some water with you when you got your bike out on a hot day, because you will cramp up. So make sure you keep that water in them saddlebags. But man, we got to check out what I really came to see, fellas, was that Road Glide CVOST right here in the building with the big 121 on it. Let me spin around for all of you who've been under a rock. This is the Road Glide CVOST, man, looking so hard right there, man. You guys see on the Stormtrooper, guys, I installed these bars to kind of mimic this bike right here. So that was one of the themes of how we did that. But guys, you can see, man, there's so much to take in real quick, from the carbon fiber fender right there, that front fender, to the Brembo brakes, to the inverted forks, the crazy golfer rotors right there, man. The front end is amazing, all up in there, so you guys can really take a look at the bike. It is a crazy bike. They even upgraded with the suspension on the back with the shocks right there. Man, this is super clean. And check this out right here, fellas. The tips right there are carbon fiber too. Really spared no expense with the carbon fiber right there. Man, this bike is definitely dope. And the bar setup, as you guys can see, sort of like a T-bar setup right there in there. And then I love the all black fairing and how that looks with the Rock and Falls gate speaker system and the whole setup. Crazy bike, man. This is like a dream. Guys, let me know what you think about the shorty footboards right here. I know they did that for performance, but what do you think for that? Would you change that out? Definitely we'll check that out and see what you guys think about that. Alright, so let me swing on the other side, guys, and this is one of the reasons why I like the bike. You guys can see the red highlights right there all through and everything. Hey man, this is huge, this big air sucker right here. Definitely loving that. This bike is definitely on point. Interested to know what you guys think, man. The ticket on this is crazy. Would you guys pay for it? Secretly, fellas, the reason why I came in is because I am looking for a new bike right now. I wanted to do it all alone, man, so I can really take my time. So I'm gonna check out the bikes, man, and see what is really good. Shout out to everybody out there who commented on the last video, man. That thing went bananas. We're gonna do it again. I'm in the process right now of seeing what they'll give me for my bike. I'm not gonna run my credit. Listen, fellas, giving you another tip, man. Never let them run your credit unless you're ready to buy, because they're gonna ding your credit up and it's gonna bring your score down. So right now I'm just talking to him. He's gonna go outside, give me an estimate. I already know what my bike and what I want, but I wanna see what Harley-Davidson is gonna give me. And so remember, never let them run your credit. They can go out, check your bike, check your VIN number, and give you an estimate without you going through all that. They're gonna try to pump you to do that. Pump the brakes, baby. Don't do it, just let them go. See what the value of your bike is. And you gotta let them know right off the rip. I let the guy know what I was looking for. Don't come back with a guess for me. I already let them know the price that I want for the bike. So I am on the shark skin right here, guys. As you see, the shark skin blue. You guys watched the last video, then you know I love this blue right here. So I'm gonna check it out and see what everything about the bike. But man, it is dope, guys. You see, I love the bars. Actually like that Harley-Davidson right there. super loving the screen and everything on right there. That looks amazing. Man, this is crazy. Let me light that screen up for you guys so you can see it. As you see, I love that startup right there and the whole setup with the modes and everything. So definitely gonna be the first upgrade would definitely be to get rid of these bars, to change out brake pedal and all that stuff. I do like the air breather, but that's probably gonna go. Guys, I'm probably thinking about ripping this too and going with just the Harley symbol. I think that'd be dope. Let me know what you think. Let's see what other upgrades we could probably do to the bike. Of course, you guys know, if you watch the channel, you know I'm gonna rock clean, fresh heel toe shifter. I do like the bars right here. I think they're kind of dope. I like the low ones like this, not that mustache look. So these kind of look kind of cool. I'm liking that with the aerodynamics in the air. The bike is solid. Really got no complaints about it right now. We're just trying to see if we can work a deal out. But again, man, I'm not gonna let them run the credit or anything. We are just gonna rock and roll and see what they're gonna give me for my bike. So stay tuned, man. Let's see what's gonna go down. If I get a bike, it's cool. If I don't, it's cool. That's how you gotta play it, and you gotta keep it just like that. So man, it is definitely gonna go down no matter what, but you gotta be mentally prepared to walk away if the deal doesn't go down. And it's just like that. It is what it is. It's how you buy a bike. All right, fellas, just like I told you, you gotta be prepared to walk away. Numbers wasn't adding up. I'm gonna put the bike up for sale, or we're gonna rock a great engine. And a lot of you guys out there said that is the way to go. So I'm right now gonna head to the performance shop. I'm gonna talk to my guy, and we're trying to get some secret sauce in the bike so you guys can't see that. It's gonna be another day for the video, so let's keep the adventure going. All right, man, I think I'm gonna rock up to the casino, man. Let's try our luck. It might be my lucky day, man. We might hit it big. We come back to Harley-Davidson and bankroll a brand new bike. So Road Glide Adventures, let's get that money, man. Let's rock to the casino. All right, man, just left out of the performance. Speaking with them, hey, shout out to everybody who reached out. Let's sit on this expressway. Hit it. Oh yeah, let's go. Shout out to everybody out there who chimed in on the last video, man. Definitely thinking about putting some performance in this boy. You guys see she is ready to rock and roll, so I appreciate everybody, but we're gonna rock to the casino right now, see what kind of luck we got tonight. Let's get a good ride here. Let's get that money. Road Glide Adventures going. You see, I'm pulling in to the casino right now, about to jump into the MGM and see if we can win us enough money to buy a Harley-Davidson, man. Really not gonna think we're gonna do that, but gonna get a little R&R, man. I ain't been to the casino in a while, as you guys see. Let's pull up to see where we can park. You hit big, man. Did you win? Yeah, man, I'm up about 400. Oh, you're up about 400? Then that's good news for me, man. So we about to rock in here. You see he wrecking the fresh Harley-Davidson all day long. So, man, that's good luck charm for us. All right, man, getting some money out of the ATM. You see $6.99 to get out some money. I forgot all about that, guys. When you go to the casino, make sure you get your money before you get there. All right, fellas, let's go win some money. Let's go, baby. Let's go. YouTube, I need your luck, baby. Let's get it. On my way to the high limit slots, guys. Let's go. Either go big or go home. Let's get in here and get some money. All right, man, out on a Road Glide adventure, guys. You see, I got the Crisp 20. The show is always live and direct. We're about to gamble. You guys are coming with me, man. Let's get it. All right, man, here we go. We got the fresh $5 slot right here. You guys check it out. The fresh 20. We're about to throw it in there. All right, man, so here we go. Should we pull the wheel or the little lever right here, or should we go ahead and press the button? Let's go ahead and see what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead. I say we press the button. Let's pray one credit. Let's see what goes down. Here we go, fellas. Here we go. All right, there's a no-go. We gotta bet one more. Okay, so we did win. What did we get, guys? We got 30 bucks. Yep. We got 30 bucks right here, man. What are we gonna do, man? Should we go ahead and play it, or should we take the money? What do you guys think? I'm $10 up already. What do you think, man? Should I take the money, or should I go? It's 30 bucks, right? I started with 20. Should I just take the 30 and get out of here, or should I keep going? What you thinking, man? Go for it. All right, I'm going for it, man. All right, YouTube, man, your boy is in here dealing. You see the triple fives right there. We are up to $95, man. Should I keep going, or should I take the money and get out of here? All right, YouTube, man, I'm in here dealing. Now, this is the dilemma right here. I need you guys' help right now. Now, I started off with 40 bucks. I'm up to $95, so I'm $55 up. Should I get the hell out of here, cash out, take my money, or should I take that money and try to get greedy with it? I'm telling you, fellas, every time you get greedy, that's when you lose. All right, man, I'm gonna go ahead and make an executive decision, man. It is all about the cash. You guys see $95. I'm hitting that cash out button. Give me my money. Guys, let me hold it up. We're about to show you. You see the voucher right there, $95. Give me my money. You gotta know when to get out. I just won some cash right here. I'm about to go cash out, get the hell out of here, jump back on Stormtrooper. Fellas, where are you gonna get this kind of content? Road glide adventures. You guys see the $95. Am I putting this in right? Show me real quick.
Try that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Is that one? That one? All right, let me try it. Okay. Oh, that one went for you. See, I got the pros helping me out in the building. Thank you very much. All right, let's gotta continue. We started off with 40 bucks. And as you see, I am rolling in the dough. It is definitely going down, man. Guys, if you like the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. It is definitely going down. All right, fellas, what is up? Got Chris in the house right now. She just subscribed to the channel. I'm about to give her some guru love so she can win all day long. Now when you win, I just want like a third of the money, all right?
Oh,
it's all going down. So definitely going down. I appreciate the love on the support with the subscription. Good luck on it, all right? I just came up with $95, so I'm getting the hell out of here. Remember, if you win, take the money, get out of here. Don't put it back. Okay. All right, that's my advice, all right? Thank you. That's it. Gotta keep the road glide adventures going. I'm about to jump back into Stormtrooper, and we're gonna hit the movies up. We're gonna check out that new movie called The Bike Riders, see what it's about. It's a movie about start of a motorcycle club. It looks pretty good. So guys, we gotta keep the adventures going. I'll see you just in a minute. Talk to you guys real quick. All right, man, I'm leaving out of the casino. As you see, I'm feeling some type of way, man. I got some cash in my pocket. I wished I had a date for tonight. I actually got money. Me and my date would have a great time. All right, fellas, packing up the bike, getting ready to get out of here. I got another tip for you guys. It is about 95 degrees out here right now. It is absolutely burning up. Make sure when you guys are on the road that you grab waters right here. I've got one right there. That thing was frozen and ready for the ride. And then let's reach in here and see what else you guys see. I got another water right there. Make sure you guys are carrying these waters with you, because guess what? The hotter it's gonna get, you guys are gonna start to cramp up your hands, your feet, your hamstrings, all that good stuff. And you do not want to cramp up when you are going 110 miles on the highway. Man, today is going absolutely fabulous, guys. I am out on the Stormtrooper, man, on my way to the movie. I have been so excited to see this movie. It's a cool ride for you bikers out there. So if you guys are in a crew, jump on the bikes, man. Go check the movie out. Let's see what's going down, what's cracking. Okay, my man got the Charger. Only way you can rock a Charger if it's a red eye, man. I don't do the scat packs. I don't do none of that. It's got to be a red eye. So hopefully my man got it right. I straight hope that's a Hellcat, man. You can't buy a Charger unless it's a Hellcat, bro. Them the rules, man. Them the men rules. That's how it goes. When you go somewhere and you park your bike, fellas, always try to park close by the front. I just happened to nab a front row spot and I always put my bike in kind of diagonally so that it is, and I leave it kind of back to the front so that a person, if they're looking for a parking spot, they can see my bike sticking out there so they don't fly in here and hit the bike. So just another quick tip. All right, man, it is time to go to the fruit snacks right here. And then what else I'm gonna grab? These are my go-tos for the movie. So you guys see I got the fruit snacks, and I'm gonna go ahead and rock the M&Ms, a must-have when you go to the movies. All right, man, and just like that, I am leaving the movie theater. I want to give you my review of the Bike Riders. It was cool. Wasn't what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more motorcycle club related. It was a lot of drama and all that good stuff. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and give it out of a 10. I'm going to give it about a 6. It'll be a great ride for you and your crew to go check out. You see bikes over there, a lot of bikers in there. Cool spot. I'm starving. I got to finish this vlog off. So guys, I'll see you in a second. It is almost time to wrap up the vlog, man, but there is nothing better than the bike with the lights hidden off. And you guys see the Stormtrooper looking so good. Look at the lights, how they shine off the wheels and all of that black right there, ready to rock and roll. I hope you enjoyed today. Let me swing this camera around. As I always tell you fellas, it is never ever a vlog without you out there. The subscribers, you mean the most, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the footage. I got a lot of hot content coming your way, so till next time, keep those 2 wheels down. Peace.